Hey, what's up you guys? This is Junior Trader, and in this video we are taking a look at Tesla stock, guys. So market is selling off again today, and Tesla is still rejecting and rejected at that 200 days moving average underneath of that and $203 level. The very important level that I have been talking about. But hey, Junior Trader is not worried. Why so? Because this bot that I was talking to you guys about that would work on both the long and the short side is now fully released. And if you are a member, you would already have received access to that. Check the instructions that are sent to you in the email or the other methods that you are in communication with me. You would have received a reply or a message from me. So just want to show you the performance of this one, and you can see on the, well, as you can see, it takes position on the both the long and the short side, and the data is on the left side of the table, and I'm super happy with how this thing is turning out on Tesla. If I just show you around this real quick, I'm going to talk about it and show you about this in other stocks as well. But this is just showing you on SPY as well today also. We got a good short position eventually and a great move, great money. And then also on QQQ as well, good profitable. Data is on the left side of the table, guys. You can see that on the SPY, QQQ, everything is looking good. And definitely Tesla is one of our good performer. That's QQQ, and this is, as I showed you, just the Tesla. If you need access to my tools, links are in the description below. Now there are 3 bots and 2 indicators, so you are getting a really lot of stuff in the current pricing. And just remember, pricing may eventually go up soon because there's a new tool added to the basket. All right, now, so let's go back to our technicals on Tesla and let's talk about that. Now, we have, as I just showed you, we're still rejecting below that 203, very critical and important level, because this level is just not a level that I'm just pulling out of thin air. On the weekly interval, this was also the level of inverted head and shoulder area of the neckline. Thus, losing this also negates pretty much on the weekly interval that whole head and shoulder, inverted head and shoulder. And we got that move out of it, but then after that, it's just over, kaboom, right? Now, because we lost that level, the area of the inverted head and shoulder. And going to the daily interval again, you can see it's been clearly just rejecting into the rebounds and still selling off. Now, what from here? What are the levels to watch, right? And what is the price action telling us? So price action today, guys, is just a bloodbath. It's just a complete sell-off, and you can see precisely we rejected at our level 203. If Tesla would have been able to stay above that, it was a long play. But as you can see, market was selling off as well. Tesla just rejected this, just didn't even get above that. And once we started to break the levels, we lost 198. And as projected yesterday in my video as well, that if we lose this, expect the level down to 191 eventually, and we got that. And now even on intraday level, let's talk about tomorrow, right? There is not even on intraday there is any structure to the upside, as long as we now stay below 194 and 75 cents. If Tesla stays below this 194 and 75 cents area, we are still bearish, and any rebounds would most likely be just shorted on this. I mean, that's the structure. So if any position is taken on the short, stop loss has to be on the other side of it. Now, this is for tomorrow. Upside on this, as I said, I would like to not just see it above 194 and 81 cents, but also above 20 and 50 hours moving average from here on. If price falls further low tomorrow, then watch these significant levels 186 and 184. Maybe some intraday after the sell-off rebound may come, but that again just be a rebound. And if we continue to just stay above 191 from where we are, it's just a continued sell-off. So, and also below 194 and 75 cents. So guys, that's Tesla. Unfortunately, things are red, market is selling off, and I'll be talking about, you know, SPY and QQQ with the tech stocks. But actually, that's all what I have for you guys on Tesla. I just wanted to show you the bot, its performance, and if you need access to my tools, as I said, links are in the description below of this video. And then, yeah, QQ and SPY, just showed you that. Let's talk a little bit more about it, because I'll talk in detail in the tech stocks video for SPY and QQQ. But this is where you can see in the morning, we were above 524. That was a good sign, but then eventually we closed below it, so we are still not out of the woods. And if this becomes head and shoulder on SPY, that's a big problem. And for that, it's like, is it going to lose 200 days moving average? That would be then a deciding factor. But yeah, this is not looking good. Structure still remains bearish on SPY. And similarly on QQQ, we didn't even go above that red line. You can see there's a significant level marked by my indicator. Get my tools, guys. It helps a lot. And that level was still not taken out today, and we just rejected over there. The only thing that can save QQQ here would be the pivot at 200 days moving average. Yeah, and just because it's so much sold off, I don't want to get ahead of myself. I do want to see the price action first, but I won't be surprised if I do see a pivot here. But again, yeah, if the market is just really going bonkers and just can't do anything, then yeah. And as I provided you a case here, that if we stay above 200 days moving average but consolidate here below 448 and then we break 200 days moving average, that pretty much will become a head and shoulder on QQQ on a massive scale, and that's another a huge massive big problem, right? So that's that. But yeah, just keep that in mind. All right, now guys, that's all I have for you today, and then other videos, as I said, will be coming out later. So with that, guys, I'll see you in my next videos. Take care. Bye.